this ABRN how-to, we're going to show you how to block sand primer surfacer, and we're using a block system from Motor Guard, the new blocking system that they have. They have several different blocks that come with this kit, 8 different ones. You can see the different ones right here. Something that is big and flat like this. Generally you want to use the longer block, the bigger block, the better for areas like this. Because if there's a low area, the guide coat will stay in that area and you can sand it out. It's always important when you're sanding to cross sand and use longer strokes. If you use real choppy short strokes, that may show up in the end project. So we're going to use longer strokes here. But you notice when we get to areas like this, it's going to be hard to use this block because it doesn't really fit. The Motor Guard has several different blocks for you to use. In some of these areas, it's a lot easier to use, some you got different blocks that you can use. You get some that are different shapes and that are smaller, that fit in smaller areas easier. You have some, this is a pretty neat block that they came out with. We used it earlier today. It's flexible, so if you're using in an area like right here, a regular block, it's going to be hard to sand that right. This one, you put your sandpaper on it, and you can fit it to the curves. It works real well for that. Sometimes if you're working on body lines, you may have different lines where you can use some of these shapes of the block to help you block in those areas. If you're using a DA pad, they have this. You just put your stick at DA pad, wrap it around, and you can use that for a block as well. That works real well. They have flexible blocks. Some of these work real well for wet sanding. Got this set. It's an 8-piece. Impressed with the set. It works well. We've been using it here, and you may want to check it out. This